Sometimes I know it feels like you ain't gonna make it, but you gotta keep pushing so you really can make it.
Y'all, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so your girl, y'all know I be trying stuff all the time, and today I am finna try something. Something I've been seeing going around on the internet all week. I've been seeing this on TikTok, everywhere, y'all. So today I got some ugly headlights on my car, and I was gonna buy some new ones, but before I buy some new headlights, I'm gonna see if this works. So the thing is, they saying that, but it worked. Now from the videos I seen like, I just kept watching because I'm like, do this stuff really work, or they just putting something in this, wrapping this can up, making it look like some bug spray, and it ain't working. So I'm finna see if it works. Bug spray, y'all, supposed to be like off anything with DEET in it. It's supposed to clean your headlights. It said leave it on for 5 seconds, and it's supposed to clean your headlights. So I'm going in Dollar General and try to find some bug spray. If they don't got nothing, then I have to go to Walmart to get some. But let's go get some bug spray, and then we're gonna go back to the house and see if it really works. So it's gonna be a short video. We just want to do a little test run, and if it works, y'all better go get some. So let's see if it really works, y'all. I'm going to get some bug spray right now, and I'll be back in just a minute. Oh, she said back on. Okay, bug spray. They got the kind I need. Okay, this wall spray. I need some wall spray too. There it is. This the kind. Should I get the 2-pack? You need 2. I'm gonna get the 1. Is that off? Yeah. It's supposed to have a lot of DEET. 33. Any DEET in it? I don't know if it got DEET in it. Let's see. Is it DEET in it? I see gnats. Oh yeah, I need that for gnats. I guess it's got DEET in it. Let's see. I don't know. I don't know how to tell if DEET in it. Let's see, it's got DEET, but we gonna just get it anyway. I think it should work. It's off. That's what I seen them with. So let's try it. We're gonna get this one. I guess it's DEET in it. Let's just see. All right. Just so y'all know that I'm not lying before I get out of here. It's 105 in Oklahoma City. Oh my God, it's hot. Look at the temperature, y'all. It's 105 out. It is so freaking hot. Whew, I'm gonna wait till it cool off a little bit more to do the lights. So I'll be back in a minute, y'all. It'll seem like a minute, but it's gonna be a couple hours before I go back out. But yeah, 105, y'all. 105 today. Hot. All right, y'all. So this is my headlights before. Y'all see how they look ugly and dusty and busted and disgusted. It's this side. You see all that little stuff in there? It's supposed to get all that off. So yeah, we're about to see. We're about to see. And then y'all see this one? Bye, boo. It's my baby. She gone. She going out to the club. Okay, and then that's the other one. See how yellow it looks? So we're about to try it, y'all. We're gonna see if it really works. See if what they say is true. All right, let's do it. All right, so we got our off, the Deep Woods, long-lasting protection. Oh, we got that one. $7. Off is high. They must know what we're doing out here with this off. And I got me just a little damp towel, and we finna, it's just a little damp. It's not wet. It's damp, though. So, yeah, we got our stuff. That's all we're gonna need, I think. And, yeah, let's get started. Alrighty, y'all, so we're gonna spray it on right now. And we're gonna see, does it really work? Let's see. It says to leave it on for 4 seconds. I'm gonna leave it on for 10. I hope this is the right one, y'all. It like it's clear already. Alright, y'all see how yellow it is at the top? It's supposed to clean all that off. So we gonna see. Like it's cleaning up already. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, let's wipe it up. I got my little damp. Do it look like it? Ooh, it's working. Oh my God. Y'all, I think it's working. I think it worked. A little. Got a little yellow off there. Bro. It's like it's some inside still. It look better than the other one though. I don't know what it's gonna look like when it dry. What's wrong? Okay, so it kind of worked, y'all. I think I'm gonna put another coat on it. So this is the after, and this is the before. I think it kind of worked. I think, oh, hold on, let me back up right here. Okay. Yeah, it looks a little better, don't it? I think it worked. I think it worked. Get off me, fly. I think that worked, y'all. I think it works. I'm going to spray it one more time just to get it a little deeper in there. Okay, so I'm going to come back when I do both of them, so I'll be right back. Okay, as y'all can see, it is a lot of dirt on it, so it got a lot of dust off it. And I just washed my car, so that come from the headlights. So it got some stuff off, and this is how it looks. So they do look better. I'm not gonna lie, they look better, but I need some new headlights, so it's not gonna get mine super clean. But for yellow headlights, I think they might got onto something, y'all. They may be onto something, cause it's cleared them up. It cleared them up a lot. Look, I couldn't even see through that. Now I can see through it. And this side is very bad, so I can see through it now. I couldn't see through none of it, but now I can. So yeah, it works, y'all. It really works. All right. So now that we see that it works, y'all, I'm ending this video. Thank y'all so much for watching my little results video to see if it really works. It works. And do I think y'all should get it? Yes. If you got yellow headlights, I think it'll work really good for your headlights. So yeah, I think you should get it. But anyhow, that's the end of my video. Thank y'all so much for watching. I hope y'all enjoyed this little short video. And my baby is crying. Y'all hear her at the door crying. So yeah, thank y'all for watching, and I will catch y'all in the next video. Let me go tend to my dog. She's cutting up. Bye, y'all. Love you guys. See you in the next one.